either SHA na serikali ziweze kulipa pesa hizo 100%, ama watoe ratiba ambayo watatumia kulipa pesa hizi ambazo tutakubaliana na RUPHA. Ya pili ilikuwa ni kukataa mfumo ambao unalipa matibabu ya wale wagonjwa wanaokuja hospitali na kurudi nyumbani. Haiwezekani kupeana huduma za afya kutumia mfumo huo. Mfumo huo ambao unatoa shilingi 900 kwa kila member kwa mwaka, ambayo ukihesabu ni chini ya shilingi 75 kwa mwezi.
NHIF had liabilities amounting to 5.6 billion under WIBA. These monies, we are aware, and Parliament has noted, that are being paid at the expense of paying for providers. We are aware that there were court claims under NHIF amounting to 16 billion shillings, different claims. We are aware that these claims are being paid using SHA contributions at the expense of paying for care for patients. We are also aware that the same report noted that there were 2.7 million claims that had not been processed. We are worried that the 1,740 NHIF personnel, who are the only ones who happen to know what to do with those claims, are being sent home within the next 2 months. We are aware that if action is not taken now, all this historical information about the claims is going to be lost.